Alright, how y'all doing? Ryan Andes. We're continuing the 10K profit in 30-day challenge here, reseller challenge. So what we want to do is maximize our exposure of inventory. We've had no shortage of inventory. Um, it's like day 8 or 9 or something, and spent about $2,200, $2,300 so far, and we can resell it for. Well, I can resell it for anywhere from $15,000 to $16,000, which is incredible. But it also means I have a lot of smaller items. I'd say the average value of an item is probably like $60 or so. So that's a lot of items we got to sell. So um, continuing on here, we're gonna kill two birds with one stone. I went ahead and set up my eBid.net account. This account I just made for the challenge. Um, I do have another one, so hopefully I can do this right the first time here while I'm recording it. And here you go, you got the seller lifetime 49, 49, which is pretty good. Um, you get no listing fees or final value fees for life. So a deal like that ain't gonna last forever. They're going to eventually, you know, switch platforms and sales strategies here. But anyway, moving on. So here we are at eBid.net, and what we want to do is import all of the items that we have in our eBay store into our eBid.net account. Okay? So we're not going to have to pay any fees or final value fees here. I'll just say any fees total. Um, there's no reason not to do this, right? So we'll log in. I'm already logged in here. This is the main site. Um, go to sell. And what we're going to do here, we're not going to just list individual items. That would take forever and it'd be a huge waste of time. They got this little button up here called import your items from eBay, which is brilliant. So we'll click on that. And basically we get two options. We can either upload a spreadsheet, which is fine, or we can download the eBid Ninja Lister, which is kind of cool. It lets you pull um, listings and create listings on their site from products you have all over the internet, eBay, your website, Amazon, wherever, and you can have them import onto here. So basically, we're just trying to streamline this whole process. We'll make this as simple as possible. You can also do upload your data through FTP, but it's still the spreadsheet file. So let's go ahead and download that. And as you can see, I did over here. I just installed it. So let's go ahead and let's run that bad boy. Let's hope I can get this right the first time here. Alright, there we go. So we got your first folder. And what we're going to do here is we have our auction sets. So what we want to do is import auctions into this set. As you can see here, it's going to look for a file to pull from. So I hope this still works. What we're going to need to do is download Turbo Lister, which I'm sure you have, but if you don't, go to ebay.com, scroll down under Tools, click on Download. Oh my goodness. Hold on a second. Buyer Seller Tools. There we go. And you're going to want to download Turbo Lister right here. It's free. And once you download that and install it and set it up, you're going to open up your Turbo Lister and you're going to go to File, Import Items, and then you're going to do it from eBay Listings. Okay? Now what we want is active listings. Whoop. Stop that. So go ahead and pause this while I import these listings real quick here. I'll be right back. Okay, that's done. These are the 154 items that listed for the challenge, with the exception of these two up here, I believe, which I just did a little while ago. Anyway, I'm gonna close that. So we got our formats here: fixed price, auction. So you want to get them lined up. We will take the auction ones that don't sell, and we'll put them um, in, a fixed price. We're gonna put them in the store after they don't sell, or the ones that don't sell. So let's go ahead and export these items. So we're gonna select all the items we want to export. We're just grabbing the fixed price ones. We don't want to do the online auctions because if they sell, then we have to worry about deleting. Just going and updating all the eBids individually, and just creates a little bit of a problem. So what we're gonna do here is export the selected items. And we go to File, Export Selected Items. Okay, and we're going to select the Turbo Lister format. Or let's see, I'm pretty sure. Let's try it like this. Okay. Well, we can do the options here that we want too. So, you know, let's hope that their new version of eBid Ninja can handle the Turbo Lister format. We can always try the file exchange, and we can always edit them. Since we're actually exporting this as a CSV, we can just open it up in Excel and make sure that we have the fields right. So let's go ahead and export this. Okay, so we're just going to save it as reselling eBay. We'll put it in our eBid account here. Alright, so there we go. We exported 76 items we had in the store. Now let's hop over to eBid Turbo Ninja thingy bobber. Alright, so here's our Ninja lister. And what we're going to do is click on your first folder. It'll drop down your auction set. So let's import auctions to this set. So we just export it from Turbo Lister. I hope you're following me on all that. And now we're going to import that same file into the Ninja lister. So let's grab that. There's our file. And decoding, preparing, importing. Very nice. Now let's see what we got to work with now. Alright. Grabbed all that stuff correctly, used correctly, quantity. Very nice. Action and so let's see what we're gonna need to do here, because I'm sure we're gonna have some problems somewhere. But hey, if it works first time, fine by me. So what we need to do now is select all of the items. And like I said, if this works the first time, it will be a miracle. Because last time I did it, it was a different version of Ninja Lister. It was completely different. This is still in beta. And doing it through the spreadsheet's a little bit tougher, but I mean, just a little more work. So we got to add it to good to go. Boom. So good to go items. Alright, so we're clicking on good to go here. We're trying to upload our 76 items. So upload. Saving. Adding records. Come on, do it, baby. Oh, yeah. See how easy that was. The reference. Now, let's go check on the status. Alright, well, while we're waiting for the file to process, I'll show you one more cool thing here. Since we did the $50 lifetime no fees, we get 5 free stores. So, in my options, click on my store config, and boom, click on set up our free store here. Um, this makes it real easy for us to cross promote and get a lot of organic traffic, through Google, Yahoo, all them when people are searching for products. They'll find our store with products in there as well. So um, I'll go ahead and I'm gonna set this up real quick. Actually, let's see if our file is done. So we're going back to bulk upload. Ooh, we got failed and passed. So we got a few. Let's see what the problems were. Okay, so we just need now to add the category. So I guess I'm not gonna bore you with this part. Let's see why the other ones failed. But as you can see, um, it's it's a work in progress here. Oh, oops. It's also 4 o'clock in the morning now, so I probably should get out of here if I do something else stupid. And the good news is we got 14 through. Let's see why these 62 didn't. Okay, okay. So it's just the dimensions. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but most of you probably won't have this problem. I offer UPS ground on a lot of those for shipping, and what we do here, we can come back here and we can edit these. So I'm just going to show you how to fix this problem real quick. And we can take off the multiple shipping here. And just have, oh, man, I need to go to bed here. We just have parcel post here as our option. So now what we just did here is, so we won't need the dimensions here. And that was the problem. And that'll save us a lot of time. Because that's why those other ones went through, is because I didn't have UPS as the option on them, or I had the dimensions already filled in. So what we do is we just save it like that, or you can go through and do it individually if you'd like, or just remove UPS shipping completely. But I'm going to go ahead and I'll re-export these for you. And we should be good to go here. So we'll go back over to the Ninja. Alright, well, it still did not work. I'm going to try another solution for you here. I'm going to grab the ones that are all going to be pretty much a standard package. And what I mean by that is they will not be oversized. And that will allow me to basically not have to worry about the dimensions, because it's all going to be pretty much the same here. So I'm going to just grab the ones I know won't be oversized. That will be. And we'll take a small file here. Let's just get this bad boy on there. That looks good. I'm going to cut them, and I'm going to make a new folder here as eBid 1. So this is going to actually make it a lot longer. Well, not a lot longer, but if you do it correctly and you are putting in the dimensions of your packages and the weights for every item, you wouldn't have had this problem. Me, I like to be lazy and cut corners. So it's going on 4:30 here, but we're not worried about that. So I'll go ahead and put that back on there. Offer UPS ground. For these, I'm not even gonna bother with international shipping right now. take that crap off of there. We can leave that on there, and come on. You're making me mad. Damn it. Alright. Oh, no. Alright. Let's reload that. Keep my cool here. Alright. Let's add priority. There we go. Alright. Now, I'm going to add in there like a standard kind of dimensions here. Let's do 15 by... And now, we better be good to go, or I'm going to freak out. If it doesn't work. No, it's going to work. It's all good. I mean, the other one basically would work too. I'm just trying to save you time. And I probably should be doing this with more sleep. But we're already in now. We're going to get this bad boy going. So batch 1. 24 items, export it. Then we're going to go back over here. And we're going to fail again, I'm sure, but we're going to keep on keeping on. Because if you give up, you ain't ever going to get anywhere. So you just can't let yourself quit. Alright? And plus you get to see how to do this over and over again. Alright. Select oh crap. Remove. Alright. Anyway, back here. Plus you get to see what not to do here. And now we're going to upload this file. And it's going to work. Alright, so let's go check on our next failed little venture here. Let's see if it actually worked this time. Up, what do you know? Passed. 24 items. Alright, so now you see how to do it. Then you just got to choose the category on here. And you're good to go. I hope this helped a little bit with what not to do. To be honest, when you're doing used products, like I am for this challenge, you know, basically each one is different. And I mean that by like the shipping size, the weight. My other eBid and eBay account that are linked, there's over 1,000 products on there, but they're all basically wholesale or dropshipper items, or items that, you know, I can resell over and over again. So I already know the dimensions for them, I already know the weights, so it makes it a lot simpler. And it just, you know, it makes this a little easier when you're doing it with the same product or same product line. And say, for example, you can do free shipping on everything, or you can do fixed, you know, cost shipping, where you're selling everything that weighs, I don't know, t-shirts, and then you don't have to worry about any of this crap. But showed you a little tweak. So I mean, you can do that on your turbo lister when you import your items if you are using used items here. So we have the import file right here. I already cut them out. So basically I just gotta go do the same thing again. And ones like this, I mean, that's a friggin' accordion, and that's a printer. So I will have to just add in there the dimensions for packing. Ones like this, you know, it's gonna be butter. So, because they're all very light and I can do free shipping. But just a little brief run through there. Hope I didn't confuse you too much, but we got it done. And like I said here, we're just gonna pick the categories. I'm not gonna go through and show you this. And once you do the bulk upload, it'll be under my bulk upload. You can see we passed, so we don't need to worry about anything else now. Just fill out those categories. Whew. Alright, that was a fun video. Like I said, eBid, that can be a great, basically free selling tool. We can add your Google checkout, and you can add your PayPal on there. So that way, it gives buyers another means to pay you. And you plug that in there under your personal details. I'm not going to show you that because I don't want you to see all my personal information. But yeah, we got it done with no failures. So this is a great tool. I hope you take advantage of it. They're only growing, and they're spending a lot of money on advertising right now. So you will definitely make your $50 back real quick. So if you're doing wholesale and dropship products, oh my God, you gotta have it. So, alright, happy selling. I'm out. Bedtime.